Speedbird 232, contact tower 18.5.
18.5, Speedbird 232, goodbye.
Bison provides fast and easy maintenance through Goldhofer's minimalistic design, use of high-quality components, and reduction of parts to be maintained. For your convenience, Bison offers numerous benefits, such as changing your diesel engine into an electric motor, fast operator training due to uniform operation, short maintenance times and 1,000 hours maintenance interval, optimized hydraulic system, fast diagnosis via operation display. Goldhofer also offers excellent service support with a 24/7 customer hotline and highest spare parts availability. With Bison, you get more value due to the low total cost of ownership and strong investment security.